I look a hot ass mess. Anyways, welcome back, y'all.
It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker.
My name is Raven. I specialize in hair hauls, lifestyle tips, and yada yada. But so today I'm coming back with another headband wig, but this one is curly and it is from a company called TALKTO Hair. Sorry about the box, y'all. I messed it up, but yes, it's called TALKTO Hair. I think this box is like literally so cute though. But so this is the wig. This is the wig. It's curly hair. It's really pretty. I believe I'm gonna put all the specs down at the bottom because I can't remember what length this is, but everything would be down in the description box below. And then it comes with caps, of course. And then this one actually came with like these headbands is actually really pretty. Actually, like I would wear this, especially this one. This one's pretty. So these headbands, yeah, this company with their headbands, they did a good job. So I already have my hair braided down and then my hair sectioned off, like how I want it to be, like the hair that's on like this, on like this. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this already. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in right here. Now I try to put it as close as I can to the hair that's left out, because I don't know. It just doesn't look right to me when it's too far back. So, to put these straps on here. Put the strap on here. I don't know. In my personal opinion, I feel like these headband wigs need more like Velcro, because, like I said, people with smaller heads is just, I don't know, I like a tighter fit, especially with this little band. I wish I would have like a tighter fit because my head is a little small, but it's okay. So, this is cute. Y'all, I'm on my way to leave the house right now, so I'm trying to hurry up, for real. I just decided to throw this on because these wigs is always good to just grab and go and just throw on really quick. So, and really, I really need to start wearing lace wigs because I feel like it's making like my actual like, oh my gosh, y'all. I did this so wrong. Scratch everything, scratch everything. Like a little slick back, like crack at it. Okay. I'm about to slick it back. Like this. I hate working with my hair in its natural state because it's just like annoying. It's so annoying. That's why I wear wigs all the time. It's literally, it's annoying. Like, this is what it's supposed to look like, okay? Okay. Okay. So now we about to put the wig on. Now I'm about to put it on. Alright. So this in here. These on here. Tighten this baby. Yes, but y'all, this hair. So you know my edges are messed up again. And I really hate these edge brushes. Oh yeah, don't pay attention to my edge brush. It's dirty. I don't care. But anyways, I really hate these edge brushes. I just feel like a toothbrush is like more like, I don't know. It just gets the job done. Like I just feel like this is too big for one. Like this is too wide, and it don't be getting all the little hairs that I want it to hit. So I feel like a regular toothbrush is way better at smoothing my edges than this does, but whatever. Okay, so this hair is like super soft, and honestly, to be honest with you, I didn't get no shedding. Actually, that's a lie. It was like one piece. But really, I didn't get no shedding out of this at all. And I'm about to get it wet because I haven't seen it in its natural state. So I'm about to wet it a little bit. I just got my camera wet. I'm about to wet it. Let's see. This hair is super duper soft. I got no shedding, then no smell to it. No, none of that. Ooh, I like this hair. Yes, I really, ooh, this is pretty. You know, and you know what, y'all? I've been seeing people do like different types of little hairstyles with these little headband wigs. I'm about to try it. I'm gonna do like a little half up, half down because I'll be seeing it all the time, and I don't know why I never bothered to do it. And now that this one's like curly, got some volume, I think I could do it. Like, who gonna tell me this ain't mine? Like, this is cute. Okay. All right. Let me see. Let's see. Oh yeah, boo. This is it right here. Who gonna say something? Who gonna say something? This is mine. This hair is mine. Oh yeah, this is, I'm gonna be fooling today. But yes, all right, y'all. That's it for the video. That's it for the video. Thank y'all for watching. Ooh, this cute. And I'm gonna see y'all next time.